How to upload audio in Roblox mobile. So first you want to open up the Roblox application on your phone and then click on More button on the bottom right hand side. Then scroll down and click on Create. Then you want to expand the menu next to Home and then click on Dashboard. Now in this case, the dashboard is already open, so we want to go to Creations. Then on the tabs at the top here, scroll to the end and then click on Development Items. Now you want to scroll the categories and select Audio. And then you can press Upload Asset. It should open up this page right here where you will need to upload your audio file. It has to be MP3 format, OGG, FLAC, or WAV. These are the supported extensions, and it should be less than 7 minutes in length and not more than 20 megabytes in size per file. So you can give it a name like this, and then you can give it a description, and then press the upload button right here. And then this should open up the file manager on your phone, so you can browse to the audio file that you want to upload. And for example, I'm going to upload from my Google Drive. So I'm going to select the folder where the file exists. Now once you select your audio file, you should scroll down and then click on the upload button right here. And this should basically upload it to the development items, which then you can copy the audio ID and use it in your experiences that you're creating. Now, if for some reason this is not allowing you to select audio files, you can try to use the browser instead of the Roblox application by opening the browser on your phone and then going to roblox.com and sign into your account. Then go to the Create section, then expand the menu on the top left and then go to Creations, and then scroll all the way to the right and then click on Development Items. Then you want to scroll to the audio category, click on it, and then click on Upload Asset, and then click on the Upload button and choose the audio that you want to upload. So it should generally open the file manager so you can browse. And once it opens the file manager on your phone, you can then browse to the file and select the MP3 file that you want to upload. And you can give it a name as well as a description. And then scroll down and click on the upload button and wait for this to upload. And once it's done, you can see it at the bottom right here. You can click on the 3 horizontal dots and then click on Copy Asset ID. And once you paste the asset ID, you should see it like this. Then you can use this asset ID basically in the Roblox studio in your own experience to add the audio. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.